My people, I greet you all. I am exhilarated today. So exhilarated because today is a special day. A special day in Umunakwa Kingdom. A special day because my son, the prince, shall be selected the most beautiful maiden in Umunakwa Kingdom as his wife. Now, my son, the ball is now in your court. Let us see how you score it.
All right, I need you all to pay attention right now. What did I say?
Pay attention.
What did I say?
Pay attention.
What did I say?
Pay attention.
You can't even pronounce pay attention properly. That's number one. Well, when I speak, whatever I say, you say after me. You follow my lead. What did I say?
Follow your lead.
What did I say?
Follow your lead.
What did I say?
Follow your lead.
What did I say?
Follow your lead.
They can't even pronounce follow my lead properly. That's number two. Huh? All right. Turn around. That's our top asses in the United States. And you turn around. Turn around. That's our top order asses in the United. You turn around. Turn around. That's our top of all the asses off an orangutan. Turn around. Top that ass. You turn around. I ain't got time. Turn around. I know you got that boobs. Oh, come on. Oh, hold on though. Hold on though. You want to get married to the prince. That's it. Hey, you turn around. That's some big ass shit. Turn around. Turn around. Come on. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. That's it. That's up. Well, I think that will be all for now. That will be all for now. You see, among you all, I will have to choose who's going to be my wife. Yes. Have you ever been to a march past?
Yes, sir.
You've ever been there before?
Yes.
And you know how to do left, right, left, right, left, right? Right?
Yes.
You know how to do that?
Yes.
Okay. At ease. Attention. At ease. Attention. At ease. Get my open the gate. Left turn. Left right. Left right. Let's go. Left right. 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 Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, 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 left, right. Close the gates, fools. Mom, I'm highly disappointed.
Why?
I'm disappointed in you all. How do you all expect me, priest in Canaan, to align with all these retarded girls with low class, that stands with low class? Come on. Come on. You can do better. You can do better, Mom. You can do better, Dad. Do you know the kind of people I align with? The likes of Beyonce, Nicki Minaj, Cardi B, Megan Thee Stallion, in United States, Beverly Hills, California. And then these ones? Oh no, come on. Come on, Mom, come on. Mom, I'm surprised. Pamper me, Mom.
Go! The priest said I should not let you in. Go! Go to your man's house. Go and cook.
Come on, open the gate. Open the gate.
Go and cook.
Open the gate. Open the gate.
Go and cook.
Open the. Don't worry, come on. You see what
The priest said I should not open the gate for you. Go.
You are very
Losers, losers. Go, losers.
slap you.
Come on, the fright you cannot do.
I thought he said this is the second segment. So why are they locking up outside? Hey. So wait, after touching you people's bum, that was how they locked everybody outside. Let's go. Arrogant prince. So I used to go and buy this fine dress. Hey! The only money I have, I used to go and buy this fine dress.
Open the gate. Please, you miss package. Hey! I want you.
Did he touch your breast?
Hey!
This is my expensive mojo. You just your own money.
What was the meaning of that?
Meaning of what?
Don't even pretend like you don't know what I am talking about. How could you discharge those girls like that?
Mom, the word discharge simply means they are not welcome. Yes.
Your father is angry.
Tell him I'm sorry.
Is that all you have to say? Do you realize that some of the maidens there were daughters of the cabinet members of this palace, and you treated them like they were nothing?
Mom, if what I saw with my 2 eyes are what you call pretty daughters of the cabinet members, then you wait till I go back to the United States and get you a real model. Wrong way, by the way, and then you will be proud of your son.
Ikenna, I am so disappointed in you. I am disappointed that you don't realize whom you are. You are the prince of Umunankwo Kingdom. Whoever you choose to settle down with as a life partner must be a daughter of the soil of Umunankwo community. The earlier you start putting that in your brain, the better for you. I want you to go now and apologize to your father.
Mom, Priest Ikenna Idika has no apology to anyone.
I beg your pardon?
Mom, tell Dad I sent my apology, you know. Pam me, Mom.
After the apologies, it's your father.
JJ Kingdom, peaceful and nice, loving kingdom. But our praise need pampering. This our praise need pampering. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. I get everything that I want, but I'm only fair for the love. Pamper me, mama pamper me, pamper me, pamper me, pamper me, mama pamper me. Our praise is in love. I can't believe this. He's in love. Our praise is in love. Yeah. A kingdom peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. JJ Kingdom, peaceful and nice, loving kingdom. But our praise need pampering. This our praise need pampering. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah.
Did you see when Ifeanyi left? She just disappeared. Hey, it's true. Did you notice how she fell? She was matching. Prince left, right. You're not serious, this girl. But Abi? She broke her leg. If you buy. Oh, take him. We'll go and see her. Oluchi, we'll go and visit her. Oh, I got here. Ezuku, I get you. Manane, it disappoints you, Pam. After all this milk plus industry. Okay. After the packaging, I forgot. Let's go.
A kingdom peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. JJ Kingdom, peaceful and nice, loving kingdom. But our praise need pampering. This our praise need pampering. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah.
You sustain this kind of injury?
Papa, What kind of humiliation is this? Papa, you were there, including the king, and you did nothing. You said nothing.
I'm sorry, my daughter. I'm very sorry. Nobody knew what he wanted to do.
Papa, initially I told you I don't want to go, but you insisted. I told you I never wanted to go because I knew that idiot is so full of himself. Who does he think he is? Is he the only prince in this world? Or is he the only prince that has traveled abroad? Why does he think that nobody wants anything before him? Papa, why?
It's okay. It's okay for me, my beautiful people. Sorry. Sorry.
Papa, if not because of you, I would have told that prince that he hasn't seen anything. It's nothing, Papa.
Because if you do anything to him, you have the royalty to contend with. You know how our Igwe behave. Nobody challenges him in this village.
Papa, how could that thing? Because how could that thing? Somebody from this village will definitely challenge him someday, and he will do nothing about it. What is it? Is it because he's wealthy and royalty? You think he can treat anybody the way he likes? No, Papa. We are all humans.
Because the important thing is how your leg will get better. Let me go and call a man for the to come and massage the leg for you.
No need, Papa. No need. My friends have done that already. I will be fine.
You sure you'll be fine with that?
Yes, Papa, I will be fine. Because this is all your fault. You insisted. I never wanted to go there, but you insisted, Papa.
Biko, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't expect all this, Biko.
No, you wanted me to be the queen. Now look.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Biko. Oh! Sorry, Biko. Look at the injury he gave to my daughter. What kind of prince do we have in this village?
Auntie, Ezibotalo Melo today. Do you know that arrogant prince that God will help me to punish was going about checking each and every one of us out one by one and hitting our buttocks very hard, though? The next thing we heard was, all right, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to go to the second segment, second round. You all are going to do match pass. And the best amongst you would be chosen as my wife. Until when I heard that, you know, back then in secondary school, when we were doing the house sports, Blue House, I was in it because I know how to match. I said, God has buttered my bread. Match pass. Let's go there. All of us were getting ready. Then he started saying, Ate, Sha, Atis, oh yeah. Left, right, forward, march. Now, Auntie, I wait with you. As when you're matching them, I wait with this thing now. Hey, Auntie, they lined us up like a student that went for Children's Day at Okpara Square. Ready, left, right, hey, left, right, forward, march, up, hey, That was how all of us marched out of the gate, and he now ordered the gate man to lock the gates on us. Auntie? Just like that, Auntie. Do you know the climax? I forgot my at this village. What's it called, whose daughter? Yabi Fehi. Our fell and had his stand dislocation. Not minding the pain. Someone stood up like that and was still marching, trying to impress. I'm fine, my
Mama! No. Mama!
You're welcome.
How are you?
Hey! What is happening? On him. I was just telling Mama how we were disgraced out of the palace today. Hello, man.
Mama, I don't understand though. You did not welcome me well. I hope everything is okay.
Everything is not alright.
Organism.
Don't give me that look as if you don't know what I'm talking about.
Mama, if I knew what you were talking about, I wouldn't be asking. I told you to come back on time. That's today. Prince Ikenna will be choosing his future queen. This is the time you're coming back, okay?
Mama, that should
Mama, that should tell you that I'm not interested. Oh, you are not interested, eh? Do I even blame you? I don't blame you. Why would you be interested? Do you know what it means to be part of Idika's royal family?
Is it not one I desire? Mama, I do not want.
Mama, one name, Tekube is the luckiest girl in Omonankwo village today. Yeah. My sister should have seen how we were disgraced out of that house. They embarrassed all of us.
Itela, I knew it. I knew it. That prince is so arrogant. I mean, he's so full of himself. I don't like him for anything.
My sister, the highlight was when Mazi Kogu's daughter, Ifeyiwa, fell and broke her leg.
Chimo,
my sister, she had serious dislocation. Was on pain. Even on that, she was still trying to impress the idiot.
Was she chosen?
Chosen. The question should have been, was any of us chosen? That we were chased away. Yes.
Mama, oh, this was what you wanted me to experience. Am I more beautiful than all of them? Huh?
I hope you got something for me.
Wait, don't worry yourself. Since my mother doesn't want to welcome me properly, let's go inside so that I can afford.
Are you serious? Are you serious?
My sisters, this is a very big problem and it's affecting us. But to be honest with you girls, I, Ijoma, will never get married to Prince Ikenna as husband and wife, irrespective of his status. I will never try it. What are you humming? What are you humming?
Ijoma, if Prince Ikenna says he will marry me today, I swear to God, moi, Frances, I'll get pregnant for him tomorrow. Why are you laughing? What are you saying? You know what it takes to become the future queen of this community. See paradise.
Is it all about this palace? Is it all about being the future queen of this community? Okay, tell me. What about your happiness?
Who is talking about happiness? Okay, let me ask you.
Ask her.
What is happiness without money?
Ask her.
Ask her. My dear, money covers everything. And when there's no money, lapses begin to show.
Well, that's for you girls. As for me, Ijoma, my happiness is my #1 priority.
Biko, come near. Let me hear what. What is happiness? Of what use is happiness without money?
Ask.
Eh? Ask how.
It's only poor people that say this kind of things.
Biko, jidi abawa. Badi abawa, biko. Ijogo ti we see Maria Mokuya. Afum no kwa abagona mpari. I don't blame you. It's not your fault, okay? Nonsense.
Hey! Did I insult her?
Let her go now.
Ijoma, I did not insult you.
Is she not poor? My dear, those girls were seriously insulted. Even the other one just
Next time we'll have to go very early. Very early. The queue was too much.
Yes, they are going to know all the millions.
I'm not meaning it. I mean, how I want
everywhere spoil.
It's well.
Now I want to go and cook soup. Would you want me to bring for you?
It is in. I just come out. You have to bring for me now.
How did you can do?
Don't worry, I have enough Gary in the house. Maybe
I will bring for you.
Okay. Remember to put enough as mangala no poroko. If you don't cook with that mangala,
fully well, you know how expensive it is now.
Yeah, I got him out of Quadamunko. You will take what mangala no poroko, Maldiqua. Pico qua. But that's what I do. I'm never putting against the Gary.
I get everything that I want, but I'm only fair for the love. Pamper me, mama pamper me, pamper me, pamper me, mama pamper me.
I'll give it. Huh?
Bring down.
For what? What is it? Greetings, my prince.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine.
Are you from this community?
Yes, I am.
Good. So where are you heading tonight now?
I'm going home, just coming from the stream.
All right, very well then. Take it.
What is it? No, you cannot take my water. But the stream is very far. Please.
Now listen to me. Nobody, and I repeat, nobody ever refuses the Prince of Umunankwo. Let him take it.
Take it to where?
Let me take you to your house.
Come into my ride. I want to give you a royal ride. Let me give you a lift. Come on.
No, my prince. I'm fine. Don't worry. I'm okay. My house is very close to this place.
Now I take it that you're respectfully disrespecting me. Come inside.
Let me take you to your house.
Do you know my compound?
You're on the quest, daughter.
Prince American, honestly quite love, local. A kingdom, peaceful and nice. Lovely kingdom. Jaya kingdom, peaceful and nice. Lovely kingdom. Prince American, Prince American,
Yeah, Mom, how you doing?
I'm fine. You are welcome to my house.
Oh, thanks, and I appreciate that. Yes, she told me she's your daughter.
Yes, my prince. Chugu, where is the water you went to fetch? The water is coming.
Yeah, I'm afraid I told my guards to bring it over. Yeah. So you ain't got no problem about that. Yeah. Prince, I got you. I got you. It's okay. Thank you very much.
Mama, the water is here.
Oh, here he goes.
Greetings. You are welcome.
Thank you. Let me help you.
Wait. Thank you so much, my prince. My prince, take a breath.
Thank you very much.
Once again, thank you so much, my prince.
It's okay.
My prince.
Yeah.
Please, what can I offer you?
Speaking about what to offer me, can you really offer a man of my status something? I mean, where do I start from? Okay, let's go with ace of spades.
Huh?
Well, I take it that you don't know what I mean. So, how about alternatively Dom Perignon? Okay, let's say Crystal Palace. Oh, see. Okay, I just mentioned 3 top-notch champagne in the world. You can't even offer me any of this. I get it. Now let me ask you, what do you have to offer me?
My prince, I can offer you water.
Alright, very well then. Give me water.
Please, I'm sorry. Don't do this to me, please.
I really don't understand you. Huh? What do you mean by stop doing this to you? Oh, tell me, if the prince had chosen you, would you be standing here telling me not to do this to you? Eh? In my future?
I am very sorry. It was my father that pushed me. You can ask him.
If anyone stop lying to me. Eh? I know you don't love me. Just say it.
I am not. I love you. I swear with my mother's grave, it wasn't my intention to leave you.
Okay, fine. So tell me, what was your intention?
I just went there to fulfill all righteousness. You know my father is a member of the cabinet. I just have to be there.
Ifema, okay, tell me, what do you actually want from me? What?
I don't want you to leave me. I just want us to get back together. Please, I love you. I love you so much.
But I have just one question I need to ask you. And whatever you answer me will determine our fate.
You can ask me anything.
Ifeanyi, I've asked you this before and I'm still asking you again. If the prince had chosen you, would you have said no? Have you suddenly gone deaf?
Fine. Honestly, I wouldn't have said no.
For this simple truth you've said, I'll forgive you.
Really? Oh, thank you. Thank you.
But they can never be us again.
My prince,
Yes. Yeah, go ahead. Come on.
I do not want you to take me to your parents yet. I want us to get to know each other better before you do that.
It's okay if that's what you want. It's okay. 100. And then how long do you want that?
Let's say 6 months or more.
Okay. There you go, you have it. See you later, okay? Love you. You're welcome.
Bye.
Yeah. Yeah, honey. One more thing. Pamper me. Pamper me.
Our prince is in love. I can't believe this. He's in love. Our prince, he's in love. Yeah. A kingdom peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. JJ kingdom, peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom.
He said we can be friends, but not lovers.
Ifeyinwa, to be frank with you, that young man is not to be blamed. If you look at what happened very well.
It's true. But what if Ifeyinwa is asking now is for forgiveness?
It is not easy. Let me ask you girls a question. If it were you people, would you forgive Ifeyinwa? The problem I have with you is that you don't listen to anybody. Yes. I remember before we left, I told you not to go with us because of Ifeanyi. You refused. You felt because I also want to get married to the prince and I don't want you to get married to the prince. That is why I want to stop you. Now, who has a broken leg? You. Who did Ifeanyi dump?
Hey, it's okay now.
Huh? It's okay. Ify, let me ask you. Has Ifeanyi ever told you that he wants to marry you?
No, he hasn't.
Even if he had, who doesn't like royalty?
Oh,
but I know that you don't love this guy.
Don't say that to me, Ujunwa. Of course I love him.
See, frankly speaking, you don't love him. Stop shedding these your crocodile tears, please. You don't.
Please, you girls are my friends, for crying out loud. You're supposed to be helping me and not crucifying me, please.
Don't worry, I'll talk to him.
Really? You do that for me? I owe you everything if you do that. Thank you.
You owe her everything. Don't worry. If he loves you, he will come back. Cheer up.
Jerry's though, I think it lies in his hand. He will.
Ify, don't worry. I, Amarachi, will personally talk to him for you.
You see, we girls, we take risk a lot.
Risk is our order name. We take risk like tomorrow no day. And I wanted to get married. Anyway.
I have everything that I need. I get everything that I want. But I'm only fair for the love.
Pampa me, mama pampa me. Pampa me, pampa me, pampa me. Pampa me, mama pampa me.
Our prince is in love. I can't believe this. He's in love. Our prince is in love. Yeah. A kingdom peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. JJ kingdom, peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. But our prince need pampering. This our prince need pampering. Whoa, whoa.
Makanjinjige jikwa.
Yeah, yeah.
Makankwa gesukwa.
Whoa, whoa.
Makantige jikwa.
Yeah, yeah.
Makebe nebekebu.
Our prince is in love. I can't believe this. He's in love. Our prince is in love. Prince American, all this is quite love. Local love. A kingdom peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. JJ kingdom, peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. Prince American, Trying to understand this your feelings to me. Not the what you knew. Don't blame me. I'm trying hard to understand this your lover. Not the what you knew. Not the what you knew to me. Cause I'm scared. Cause I'm scared. Remember you can't hide it forever. You should bear this in mind. The truth must prevail. Forget the luxurious life. Remember you can't hide it forever. Simple say the truth. The truth must prevail. What are we not saying? What are we not talking about? If we're so poor, the chase so water. If I let them rock, no give us. Wonderful as you the chase so water. If I let them rock, no give us. What are we not talking? What are we not saying? Remember you can't hide it forever. The truth must prevail. Remember you can't hide it forever. The truth must prevail.
I want to buy hairs for my girl. So, what type of hair do you have here?
We have bone straight hair, coiling hair, and bouncing hair.
Well, then, whatever that means, I don't know. She has to make a choice. Now, sweetheart, which one do you like?
I want bone straight. Bone straight and coily hair.
Okay. Bone straight. My friend, please. Do I have to make choice for her or she has?
Let her make a choice and maybe bone straight, 2, coily hairs, 3, and then of course, what's the other one again?
Bouncing hair.
Bouncing hair, 4, just, you know, multiple. Let her just make a choice. Take whatever she wants.
Okay, my prince.
Yeah.
How much would that be?
And how much would that be?
Okay, my prince. 2,700,000.
Eh? 2 guinea?
2,700,000.
Hey, that's too much. Eh? My prince is too much.
Anything for you.
Jesus.
Anything is nothing.
What kind of air pollution is this? You don't smoke in the public like this.
How dare?
How dare you two?
Now, who the fuck are you?
Who the fuck are you two?
Please, ma'am. I'm sorry. He's a prince. You don't have to talk to him.
And so what?
Now listen to me and listen real good. She either leaves or I leave.
You don't foot my bill, so I can't leave here because of you. I'm not going anywhere.
I'm sorry. You have the license to smoke. Just smoke. I'm sorry.
Please, will you shut up? Is it because your madam is not around?
Listen, my prince. You have to calm down.
Now listen.
Yeah.
Listen to me and listen real good. You already know the status I am from. Originally, I'm rich from birth and you know me. You know the kind of people I align with. Come on, you were here when this idiot was insulting me. A guy that stands with low class.
I wouldn't take that at all from you. I wouldn't tolerate that, you talking to me like that.
It's okay. I have no words for you.
My prince, please, I'm sorry.
Shut up. Now listen. She either leaves or I leave.
I am not going anywhere.
Please, you have to leave. You have to leave. Do you want me to miss this money? If my madam is here, won't you go? Just leave me alone.
I will go, not because it's I should go. I will go because I'm allergic to smoke. I wonder how you cope with your woman. Excuse me.
Thank you.
Bitch.
Well, my prince,
And now you!
You shouldn't have. That lady did not do anything to you now. This thing you're smoking is not right. You're in public.
Listen. Nobody dare question whatever I do. Get that? Do you understand me?
Huh. That lady didn't do anything to you. This floor. Where is the bone thread? Which one is bone thread?
Mama bumper me.
Our prince is in love. I can't believe this. He's in love. Our prince is in love. Yeah.
But my prince, with due respect, that was so inhuman. You shouldn't have done a thing like that.
Would you shut your trap or I shut it for you? No, listen to yourself talk. Huh? Oh, so I should have folded my hands and watch that idiot speak to me in that manner. Somebody that's not even up to my maid. People that are under my payroll in the United States. That's because you don't know how I grind. If you know how I grind, you won't talk to me in this manner. Idiot. It ain't your fault. It ain't your fault at all. It ain't your fault.
I don't want to. You take all the things you want from me. I don't want to. Don't take me to my mother's house. I don't want to.
I don't want to hear you say anywhere. Do you understand me?
It's my mother's house. Take me to my mother's house.
Can you afford to leave me? No, can you afford?
My mother's house.
Because I know you.
I want to walk. I want to come down. I want to come down now. I'll jump down from this car now.
Oh, sweetie, I'm sorry for the way I spoke to you, okay? I'm sorry. I know I was harshing you. But you know, it was that food that caused everything. Alright? You know how much I love you. Come on.
Is that why you shouted at me like that?
But I'm sorry. Okay, look at me. I'll make it up to you. You know me. I'll pamper you. Now pamper me, honey.
I'll pamper you too.
Good, that's it.
Pamper me, mama pamper me.
Our prince is in love. I can't believe this. He's in love. Our prince is in love. Yeah. A kingdom peaceful and nice. Lovely kingdom. JJ kingdom peaceful and nice.
Hey, none. Oh, mama, none. Mama, he bought the whole world for me today. Clothes, yes. Thank you so much.
No, it's not.
Let me show you, Mama.
It's not.
Mama, he bought me hairs, he bought me clothes. Hey, my prince, thank you so much. Please, come and make yourself.
No, Mama. I'm afraid I have an important meeting to attend to right now. Some other time.
Hey.
But in the meantime,
Even when he was doing all these things for me, he kept saying, Papa. Oh my God. It is the one Papa is. He's telling me to Papa. Oh my God. Thank you so much.
Mama, I have this for your kid.
Chinekeme,
That's the way I roll.
now.
No, it's okay.
My prince, all this for me.
That's the way I roll.
Hey.
Alright. So I'm afraid I have to go now.
Thank you.
Pamper me, baby. Pamper me, baby. Mama, pamper me.
Pamper me, mama pamper me.
Our prince is in love. I can't believe this. He's in love. Our prince is in love. Yeah. A kingdom peaceful and nice. Lovely kingdom. JJ kingdom peaceful and nice. Lovely kingdom. But our prince need pampering. This our prince need pampering. Whoa.
You're too much. I was telling him that it's enough. He said no, he wants me to be looking good. Okay, Mama, this one is the most expensive. They call it bone straight hair. This one. There are two. Hey! After you came right on time. The prince took me out for shopping and bought all these hairs for me. Chimo. Eh? Chalo. Even clothes, so. My clothes are inside. You bought all this for me? All these for me. All these hairs. But wait. What kind of love is this? I don't know. He said he wants me to be looking at all times. Choma. Why would he buy all these hairs for you? But I was telling him that it's okay. He refused. Very thoughtful of him. Yes, so. He even got this too for me. They said it is bone straight hair. Eh? Bone straight? The raining bone straight? Don't know. The prince said the raining bone straight. And he got me too. Hey! Mama, this is land money. Don't worry, choose one. Anyone you like, just choose. I know you like curly hairs. Come and check from the curly one. Oh my God! I love you. I love you too. Take it out, bone straight. Yeah, where you go? Hey. I don't even know which one to start from. One that you like. Just take. Okay. You like that one? Yeah. You can take it in Ghana. You want more. I love you, my sister. I love you. I must maybe get bit. Hey, you like that one? Yeah. I take it. You can have it. Looking nice, killing cow. Mama, it's to the show. You won't collect one hair. Collect what? So you'll be showing off at women's meeting. Don't worry, Mama. If you don't want to collect, I'll be wearing all of them. I can't wait to rock this one and pepper them if you want. Hey, I got a dinner in the village. Let's paint it red.
Nah, you have not even heard everything. He also bought clothes for me.
What do you mean? Clothes?
Yes, beautiful clothes.
And them. That means we are about to paint this village red.
Oh, I'll probably I'll show you.
But you don't want to collect one.
I don't want her.
Hey,
yes, that's so fine.
Great to me, you know what a penalty is. Now get out of my sight. Get out!
It's not good.
Hey, listen to me. Next time you intrude in whatever it is that I'm doing, you know what I'm going to do to you.
I want to go home.
Would you shut your trap?
I want to go home.
That's why you can't grow. You can't grow.
I want to go. No, I want to go home.